Hi guys! Kung gusto nyo maintindihan kung paano kumita ng reward sa cross prediction, then this video is for you. Dahil ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang buong proseso mula sa pag-claim ng cross rewards, pagbili ng bill and pag-predict ng BTC up and down. Hi guys! Peter Pan here and we are back for another video on cross prediction. Para sa mga bago pa lang sa cross ecosystem, ang cross prediction ay isang prediction platform kung saan maaari kang sumali sa iba't ibang markets at hulaan ang magiging resulta ng mga events. Remember, this is not limited sa crypto. Maaari ka rin mag-predict sa mga sport events tulad ng World Cup games at iba pang available markets sa platform. Kapag tama ang prediction mo, may pagkakataon kang makatanggap ng rewards depende sa market and participation mechanics. But before we can start predicting, we need to connect our wallet first. Guys, if wala pa kayong wallet, download CrossX and it can be downloaded through the Play Store. In my case, na-download ko na ito in advance. So once na ma-download nyo ito guys, open and you need to create an account. When creating an account guys, madali lang gumawa ng account dito. You just need an active Google account or use your Facebook instead. Also, you cannot start predicting kung wala pa kayong tokens dito. So what you need to do is to deposit some. You can deposit through Billions or Crosshair. Ang gawin nyo lang guys, i-click nyo itong Billions and mag-click kayo sa contact address to copy the address and place it on your existing portfolio or wallet kung saan magagaling ang tokens nyo. Now guys, we are going to go to CrossForge. Also, connect your wallet here by logging into your app. What I really like about this is sobrang dali ng process niya guys. Once na-click nyo yung login, i-redirect niya kayo agad sa wallet nyo and you just need to click confirm para mai-connect nyo yung wallet nyo. Now that you have already connected your wallet, this CrossForge will serve as your main platform in which you can trade. So para itong Binance guys. Ito ang gagamitin nyo para makapag-buy and sell kayo ng mga tokens dito. Also, pwede rin kayo mag-day trade and mag-scalping dito sa CrossForge. But in this case, kung gusto nyo bumili ng Billions guys, ang kailangan nyo gawin dito is mag-buy kayo gamit ng Cross. So, if bibili tayo for example ng 1 Cross, it amounts to almost 2,400 Billions. And the other way around, we can also sell here gamit ng mga Billions natin, which is equal to 1.1 Cross. Now guys that you have already reloaded your wallet, we can now start predicting here in cross prediction. But before starting, always log into your account first. Connecting your wallet here is the same as CrossForge. So napakadali lang ng proseso. Just connect your wallet and add your PIN and you can start on predicting. Within cross prediction, two tokens can be used, either Cross or Bill. Cross is the main ecosystem token used for rewards, staking, governance, and participating in the border cross platform. While Bill is more of a utility token or asset that is used within specific cross application and prediction activities. So in simple terms, Cross is the game's premium currency, while Bill is a ticket or utility token that can be used for smaller purchases. Within the Cross Prediction app, marami tayong pwedeng i-predict dito, all relating to crypto, culture, macros, politics, and sports, especially now na ongoing ang World Cup. For our football fans, isa to sa mga pinaka-exciting na bahagi ng platform dahil makakapag-predict tayo sa World Cup markets. Dito, maaari kang mag-predict ng magiging resulta ng mga laban, maaari kang pumili kung sino ang mananalo o depende sa available market mechanics ng events. And ang maganda rito, habang pinapanood mo ang paborito mong teams, may opportunity kang makilahok sa prediction ecosystem. One example dito is ang kay Turkey and Paraguay. So pwede tayong pumili dito kung yes, mananalo si Turkey, no, mananalo si Paraguay, or pwede din silang mag-draw. Indicated dito sa setting kung ilan ang force multiplier na makukuha mong reward once na nanalo si ka. Let's demonstrate this by adding 500 bill dito and let's see. Our slippage for here is magkakaroon siya ng 4.9% up to 5% max, but our potential payout is 1,923 bill. So if manalo tayo, our initial 500 bill will be times 3 and it will go into 1,923 bill. Just input your PIN to verify and now that we have ordered, it is already placed in our portfolio. We can wait for 1 hour and 54 minutes before ending para malaman natin kung sino nga ba ang nanalo dito sa game. And that ends the complete tutorial on how to start here on Cross Prediction. Ngayon, alam mo na kung paano mag-claim ng cross rewards, bumili ng bill, sumali sa BTC up and down markets, at makilahok sa World Cup predictions. Kung nakatulong ang video na ito, please huwag kalimutang i-like, subscribe, and i-hit ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga susunod na guides, strategies, and earning opportunities sa cross ecosystem. Once again, this is Peter Pan signing out, and please comment down below kung ano ang pinakaunang market na nasubukan mo. Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video, and good luck and happy predicting!